Enhance your space with Minute Mosaix. Achieve an instant makeover with designer looks at a fraction of the cost with these stylish mosaic options. Installs in just 3 easy steps. Just mortar, position, and place. With the ease of Minute Mosaix, these mosaics are the perfect simple weekend project. Prior to starting the installation, remove furniture and decor items. Measure your space for exact dimensions and then inspect all mosaics. Do a dry lay to make sure all the mosaics are in good condition and fit together properly. Use a wet saw to cut through the tile. For dry installation, install with traditional mortar. We recommend using a high bond strength mortar. Grouting is not required, but can be used to cover gaps in between sheets. A stone sealer is recommended to protect the stone. For wet installation, apply a waterproof membrane under the backboard substrate below the mortar. Use a high bond strength mortar. Seal the stone, allowing it to cover all gaps between the mosaic chips, so the sealer covers all sides. Natural stones may darken when wet. The sealer will help reduce the darkening of the stone, but will not prevent it completely. These mosaics are suitable for interior and exterior dry and wet wall applications in non-freezing environments. Minute Mosaics cannot be used on floor or any submerged applications. Easy to cut, easy to install. No grout needed. Minute Mosaics. Set it up in minutes.